In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a Snowflake query. This is a fundamental skill for anyone working with databases, as it not only makes your queries more understandable, but also vastly improves collaboration with others. So, let's dive into it. To begin, when you're writing a SQL query in Snowflake, it's crucial to structure it in a way that enhances readability. One of the best practices is to put each clause on a new line. For instance, you'll want to start with the select clause, which specifies the columns you wish to retrieve from your data. Let's say you need columns like name, age, and location. You would start your query with select, then list each column on a new line, ideally followed by a comma. This clear, line-by-line layout naturally leads us to the next essential part of your query, the from clause. Just like the select clause, bring it onto a new line. This clause is where you specify the table from which you are retrieving data. Ensuring it's on its line means anyone glancing through your code can immediately identify where the data is coming from, which is invaluable for understanding the bigger picture at a glance. Next, if you're filtering your results, the where clause should also have its own distinct line. This is where the conditions for filtering your dataset come into play. Indenting conditions further for readability is a great practice. By doing this, you're providing a visual cue that these conditions are subordinate to the where clause, making it much clearer which parts of the query affect your data selection. If your query requires aggregating data, you'll use the group by clause. Again, placing this on a new line simplifies the query structure. It's also helpful to indent any columns that participate in this grouping. This approach ensures the person reading your code can easily distinguish the aggregation logic from the rest of the query. Finally, let's talk about the order by clause, which is instrumental when it comes to sorting your results. Placing this at the end of the query on a new line provides a natural reading order that follows the logical progression of how queries are processed. Indenting conditions here, such as specifying whether to sort in ascending or descending order, can further enhance clarity. Throughout all of this, keep in mind to use uppercase for SQL keywords. Select, from, where, group by, order by, as this helps in differentiating them from column names and other text. It's one of those small adjustments that greatly contribute to the readability of your SQL scripts. To sum up, formatting your Snowflake queries by assigning each clause its line, coupled with strategic indentation and uppercase keywords, forms a neatly structured and readable code. This not only helps you understand and maintain your code, but also makes it significantly easier for others to work with your queries. Thank you so much for watching, and happy querying.